Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Muhammad Syauqi. I'll be teaching basic web programming today.
Hi, I'm Fatiha. I work in finance. I do accounts. In terms of my knowledge for in computing lah, I think it revolves around Excel. I think the most advanced one macro.
Okay, namakan styles CSS.
Here.
Okay, save. Pastikan save. Control. Okay. Browser tadi. Turun bawah. Ni Discord. NPX. Tailwind CSS. Okay. CSS/style.css. And
kalau macam I tersalah style S, style ni tak ada S ni.
okay, sorry. Dia akan
salah.
Okay, tekan enter.
What's wrong ni?
Okay, so it's building.
Is that a rocket ship?
I learned new word today. The terminal. So terminal apparently is that bit where you paste, or like I call it command center, but I don't know whether it's
a command prompt.
It's a command prompt. Okay, so it's like you key in something in there, and then either you ask the computer to download a certain coding.
HTML. Okay, enter. Kita nak buat yang ni lah, HTML starter template ni. You can copy, or there's a shortcut in Visual Studio Code. You type HTML and you select yang second one, HTML5.
Okay.
Title tu you type link, you select link CSS. Okay, so pretty much kita dah ada baseline, kita dah finish installing Tailwind CSS lah. You go to raw. Okay, ambil daripada body. Okay, okay. Okay, buka profile. Okay, siap. So we know that the CSS is working.
But then this coding here is already prepared lah. by someone. It's a matter of amending this.
You can like search like macam Tailwind template, you can get. Sebab most of the open source project dia host dekat GitHub tadi.
Okay. So now obviously I'm not thinking about like doing from scratch. So how do I change this?
Okay. Nak senang to know what this like, how does the code looks like for this section. In your browser you can click inspect. So
inspect.
Inspect element.
Does that to any HTML site ke, only for you, for us je?
No, it's a dev tool untuk web development lah. So
from kalau I go to another website, I boleh buat macam tu juga.
Yeah, you can do the same.
Okay. So now we learn about the linking lah.
So for now we just like
changing the text. How do I change the picture?
Provide two picture. One for the desktop one, the big one, and when you close one, there's another picture. So there's two link lah.
Okay.
Okay, okay, try again. F5. Okay. But like I said, there's two picture, right? So that if you will still go back to the default. So you need to change another one.
Wih, cantiknya
to display image.
Tada!
So if you make it mobile, make it mobile.
Mobile mana?
Nak make kecilkan lah.
Kecilkan. Tada! Ni obsession.
I think that's very helpful. That's something like an eye opener that is not out there. I wouldn't say it's not hard. It's to me it's still hard. Probably like, but it's something that I do think is important. Sebab these days I think everything goes online. Even my workplace, I think those people who have these technical skills in able to code, able to as simple as create the macro file, are the preferred, and I don't want to be losing out lah in a way. And I think it applies to all generations, younger and older generations as well. So yeah. Student today, what's your name?
My name is Katrina Safi. I'm 5 years old.
Okay, nice to meet you, Katrina.
HTML.
HTML.
HTML, it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Here,
Yes.
if we write these codes, it will output this. Let's give it a name. Let's say, okay, about Kadrina, and we need to put the extension to say it's HTML. Okay. Okay, we need to copy this.
So I don't know how to do that.
Okay, I will teach you.
Looks like hard to do it.
No worries. Right click on the mouse. And that's the left click. Then the other one. Okay, good. And you paste. Select paste.
This one?
The second last one. Not that one. This one. Okay. Now this is heading ni. Let's change into your name. Okay. Can you type your name?
Yes, I can
Okay.
spell my name.
Okay, spell your name. To make it capital letter. Okay.
This one?
Okay, that one. The caps lock. You have to press the caps lock first. Okay.
A D
Right.
R
Few moments later.
Okay. A.
F I Y
Okay.
A.
Another one. Another letter. Safia. Alright. Yay, we change it.
I don't like to ride bike. I like to draw
Okay, I like it, we change. I like to draw pony.
pony.
Pony. Then we can put pony punya pictures here. Okay. Okay. Wow, so big. Later we will make it smaller, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, you cannot see this, and when you go up, you can see this. When you go down, you cannot see my name.
Yep. Actually, we can
Make it
we
small.
can make it small. Okay,
Duper small.
Okay, we need to give it a width and height. Okay, copy this one.
Make this 5,
5. Okay.
500 and
Tapi kalau
400.
500, 300 and 400. Okay. The body. We put the body. We put styles. Background color.
Okay.
And we put pink. Okay.
Like pink. Okay.
Like pink. Okay. Wow. See, the background will change to pink. Next, you want to change your name, the color of your name into purple. Say like purple, right? Okay, so this is there. Again, you put styles, color, and let's select purple.
How
Oh, you want other color?
I want purple, but I just want.
You want this one?
Yeah.
It's like a darker purple. Okay, we save and we refresh. Yay! Pretty. So, you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, good job. High five.
How about we do hands?
Alright, good job.